Hi, I'm Byron. Welcome to Dushar Motors here in Bonnyville. Today we're looking at another quality trade that just came in. This is a 2020 Edge SEL all-wheel drive, under 58,000 kilometers on this one. Very nicely equipped. It has leather heated seats. It has the touchscreen heated steering wheel as well. We'll have a little look inside here. It also has adaptive cruise control and the FordPass app as well, so you can start it with your phone. So if you'd like more information on this Edge, you can stop by and see us in the west end of Bonnyville on Highway 28, or you can give us a call at 780-826-3278.